Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a white chocolate and raspberry blondies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 3/4 cup of butter, so that's 1 stick and then a half a stick. And we're going to melt that so it doesn't have to be at room temperature or anything. Then you need 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 1/2 cups of flour. You could use all-purpose. I used a little bit, a mixture of all-purpose and rising flour because I didn't have enough. Then you need 1 cup of white chocolate. So you could use chips. I just used almond bark and I just cut it and it cuts into little shreds like that with a knife. But it's up to you. And mine is a little more than a half a cup or a little more than a cup because I just used 3 whole cubes of the almond bark. And then you need a half a cup of raspberries. These raspberries were picked from me and Taste Tester right out of our garden. And it's a little more than half a cup as well, but you can never have too many in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350, and then we are going to use an 8x8 baking pan. I found these little throwaway ones at the store I'm going to use. We're going to line that with parchment paper and be sure to leave overhangs. Alright, next I'm going to melt my butter in a microwavable safe bowl in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. Alright, my butter is all melted, so next I am just going to add in my brown sugar, and we are just going to whisk that until it is nice and combined. Alright, that looks good, so next I'm going to add my vanilla and my egg and just mix it again. Alright, now I'm going to use a spatula to stir in my flour and white chocolate. Alright, that already smells amazing. So next we are going to just go ahead and fold in our raspberries and try not to break them too much. Alright, those are nice and combined. I did break some, but that's okay. So next, go ahead and pour this into our prepared pan, and then we're just going to smooth out the top. Alright, these are all ready to go into the oven, and we're just going to put them in there for 30 minutes. Alright, my blondies are out of the oven, and they did take a lot longer than 30 minutes. When I checked on them at 30, they were still like very, very watery when I shook them. So these took almost 60 minutes to cook completely. So now we are just going to have to sit here and wait for them to cool completely, and then we can cut them into bars and eat them. Alright, my blondies have cooled off, so now I am going to go ahead and cut these into bars. And you can, I'm not sure if you can tell, but see how much mine like sunk down in the middle. So I'm sure those are going to be really gooey. So we'll cut these and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, my blondies are all cut, and they do crumble a bit. I think that's just what they do. They're gooey, but they look and smell amazing. So we're going to see which one Taste Tester wants. Alright, I got this yummy one for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, enough for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.